name's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a kind of day in my life type video, as I've been doing Rosery Apparel full time for a little over a month and a half now, and I've been getting some questions asking what my day-to-day life looks like now that I'm doing Rosery full time. So it's currently Monday morning, and so far today I've just been replying to some emails and some YouTube comments. And I have quite a few pattern orders from the weekend that need to go into the post today, so I'm going to start the day by packaging them up. But before I do that, I have some pretty exciting news to share with you. Last night, Matt and another good friend of mine, we ordered some pizza and watched my channel tick over to 100,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? Because I sure can't. So before I get started with the day, I did just want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. I just can't believe we're at 100,000 and I don't think it's going to sink in anytime soon. But yeah, thank you so much for subscribing and for watching my videos. It really does mean the absolute world to me. So it is currently 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to get started on packaging up some orders and going for a walk to the post office. So let me pop you on a time lapse and yeah, let's get on with it. So the orders are now all packaged up and now let's head to the post office. Okay, so I'm back from the post office now, and now I have the fun job of sending through all the tracking information to each of the customers. So I have this super long receipt with all the tracking information on it, and that's what I'm going to spend some time doing now, just quickly sending through all this tracking information. So also on the agenda for today, as I was packaging up my orders this morning, I noticed that the 1 to 14 size set of the Rosa pattern has gotten substantially low in stock. So I need to reprint and order some more of that size set. Also today, I want to finish filming a tutorial. Let me show you the dress that I am going to be sharing in an upcoming tutorial. By the time this video goes out, I'm sure it'll already be live, so I'll leave a link to it below. Here it is. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. If you saw my winter sewing plans video, you'll probably recognize the dress that I was trying to recreate. I'll pop it on the screen now so you can see. But basically this tutorial is going to be kind of like how to pattern hack the hazel dress to make this insanely beautiful tiered maxi length dress. And I'm really happy with how the tutorial has turned out so far, but all I need to do for the rest of the video is just pop the zip in. And then obviously I need Matt to kind of film me in it. But I just want to put the zip in today just so that the making process of that whole tutorial is complete. But first up, I think it's time for a cup of tea and a bit of a snack. I've been making these protein balls and they're so delicious and actually good for you. Just the perfect thing for when you're kind of craving a bit of chocolate. It's not chocolate, but it's honestly really close. So since going full-time with Rosery, I've really struggled to know what to tell people when they ask, what do you do? Am I a dressmaker, or am I just someone that teaches people how to make their own clothes? I kind of switch between the two. But if there's anyone out there who's doing something similar to me, what do you call yourself? Because I wouldn't say I'm a YouTuber. I don't think I'm a dressmaker, because then that just kind of implies you do alterations and things. I guess I'm a full-time sewer, maybe. Maybe that's what it is. But yeah, if anyone has any idea what I should be saying to people when they ask what I do, some insight would be really nice. So the hazel pattern has been doing exceptionally well. It's been on sale for just over a week now. And last week, most of my time was taken up with just packaging orders and running to the post office like I have done this morning. And it's just so exciting. Making these patterns is such a passion project of mine. I love absolutely every step. I love seeing you receive your patterns and then share pictures with me on Instagram of you making them. It's just the most inspiring thing, and it doesn't get old. It's just so exciting. Every time an order comes in, I just get so excited because it means I get to do what I love every single day, and I'm just so grateful for that. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you this little update. But because creating a pattern does take a lot of time, and then when you put it up for sale, it does take a lot of time to package those orders and send them off. I am actually quite a bit behind on my video schedule. At the moment, I'm kind of making videos up until Saturday night and then having them go out on Sunday morning. Sorry, the lighting is changing so much. Today is just really cloudy, which isn't ideal for filming. So I basically want to spend this week getting a bit ahead of my video schedule. So filming a lot of videos, editing them, just so I can feel a little bit more on top of what I'm doing. But hopefully after this week I can film a few and then get a bit ahead of it to make me feel better. So the dress is all finished and made and all the filming's done. And now I've just gotten a little bit distracted. I've decided I want to do like a YouTube post saying thank you for 100,000 subscribers. So I've got Photoshop open here and let me show you what I've made. So Matt kindly took this photo of me yesterday. I'm wearing one of my all-time favorite dresses that I've made. It's actually this one here. I love it so much. And then I've just put the words thank you up the top. And I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm obviously not a graphic designer, but I think that looks okay. And I will be popping that one as my YouTube post. Okay, so I'm back at my desk and it's now 2:12. I just keep getting distracted and writing Instagram captions and things like that since quitting my job at the fabric shop. One thing I have noticed is the days just go so fast, and I guess that just comes with working on a job you absolutely love. Now I've definitely got to get on to ordering a reprint of the hazel and the rosa patterns. That's going to keep me pretty busy for the rest of the afternoon. Matt comes home around 6:30, so I usually work till about then. And hopefully by then I will have placed an order for the reprints of these patterns. It's a few hours later now. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is setting and streaming into this space now. It's really lovely actually. And I've managed to order a reprint of the Rosa and the Hazel pattern. So they should be here maybe early next week. And hopefully the stock levels that I've got here at the moment will last until then. If not, and you see the pattern out of stock and you want to purchase it, don't worry. They are on the way and they'll be back up shortly. But yeah, that took a bit quicker than I thought it would, so that's always nice. And I think I'm just going to spend the rest of the afternoon editing this video actually. I'd like to get a bit of a head start on it. Tomorrow, I'm really excited because I'm getting my hair done. It's the first time since lockdown. It's the first time this year actually. I haven't had my hair done since November last year. Hence why it's always up in a little scrunchie, because yeah, I usually have quite short hair and it's just getting too long and in the way, and I always have to put it up. So I'm really excited about that. But that will obviously take a huge chunk of tomorrow. So yeah, I'm really excited that I found a little pocket of time to start editing to get a little bit ahead in my video schedule. So I hope you enjoyed seeing a little look at what a day in my life looks like. If you enjoyed this video, then I would really love it if you could give it a like. And if you're not yet subscribed, then be sure to do that as well if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.